Welcome to Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob. Tonight we're going to make a creamy avocado salad dressing. We're going to use the Flex Plus, and if you're not familiar with the Flex Plus, there are 3 different items that we use with the Flex Plus. One is the food processor, which we'll see this evening. One is an immersion blender, and one is a hand mixer. Okay, all of those go with the Flex Plus, and they're all powered by this one power stick that comes with 2 batteries. So it's all cordless. You don't have to plug it in. You charge the battery and use the items cordless. So it's great. Okay, all of our items are fresh this evening. I'm going to start with an avocado, and I'm going to take the lid off so I can put these things in as we go. But I've got an avocado tool from Pampered Chef. And all I'm going to do is with the sharp edge, I'm going to cut around the avocado. Okay, until I get that to fall apart. Got a very ripe avocado here. And then it's got a piece on the tool here that's going to take the pit out. So I'm going to hit down on the pit, twist, pit comes right out. And then I can use the tool then the backside to either scoop out, slice out, however I want to do the avocado. I'm just going to slice it out because there's no reason. We're just going to process it all together. Okay. And our avocado's in. Now, doesn't that tool make that job easy? A lot of people don't use avocado much because they're afraid to or don't know how to cut open the avocado. Super easy with the avocado tool. Okay. We're going to do 1/4 cup of cilantro. I think I got a little too much there. I'm looking at a measuring cup right next to me. This is how I measure. That looks like about 1/4 cup. Okay, we've got 3 cloves of garlic. I will put the recipe here so you can click on the recipe when I'm done. I'm going to do, it says about 1/4 cup of lime juice. So I'm going to take a couple limes. And then I'm going to use our Pampered Chef. I don't know if a couple limes will make 1/4 cup. I hope so. I'm going to take our lime juicer from Pampered Chef. Actually, I'm going to turn that over this way and see how much juice we can get out of our limes. Tell you what, this is one thing that smells so good when you're juicing these limes. But it's so nice to have fresh. We're not using it out of a jar. A lot of you, where you are, you probably have some great fresh produce, especially this time of year. The limes just smell delicious. And forget the canned or jarred salad dressings. We're almost to 1/4 cup, so I think we're going to make it with our last lime here. So if I had to say, I'd say at least 2 limes, maybe 2.5. I might be able to use just a little bit more lime juice. But there's our 1/4 cup of lime juice. We're going to have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. We're using the Pampered Chef measuring cup. Okay, if you're not familiar with that, you can see the actual measurements inside the cup. Makes it real convenient. We're using the cup, 1/2 cup of water. And we are ready to mix. So now I'm going to put the lid on. Lid locks. I'm going to put the power stick in. And they recommend that you put the power stick in before you put the battery in. Okay, so I'm going to put the battery in. It clicks into place. Now there's 2 things here. One that you have to remember. There is it's on the very back here on the power stick. This is the lock, so I've got to push that and the power at the same time to get that to come on. It's a safety feature. So I push that, I turn it on, okay, and then I can turn it up and down here on the power stick. And you can see we're mixing. The cilantro takes a little time here, but everything else looks like it's mixed up really good. Smells delicious. Okay, let's see what we have. It smells delicious. I guess I should take the power off. It looks creamy, but it smells delicious. Imagine that lime, that cilantro. All right, it says salt and pepper to taste. I'm not much on salt, so I'll do a little light salting. I do like a little more pepper than I do salt. I'll put a little pepper in there. Grab a spoon and mix that up so I can taste it here before we leave. Wow. So easy to make your own fresh dressing. Oh, wow. Oh. As I could smell, the lime and the cilantro really give it a great flavor. And the avocado really makes it nice and creamy. Great salad dressing. After you watch this video, or maybe you've already watched my salad video, but I'm getting ready to make a salad too, so I can put that right on top. So come back. Be sure and like, share, and definitely subscribe to our channel so that you can see the next video that's coming up, which will be the salad that we're going to put our dressing on. So we'll see you back here with Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob.